Hey there, tech enthusiasts and home security buffs. Today, we're re-diving into the world of smart home surveillance with a game changer that's about to rock your socks off. Get ready to meet the all-new Ring Pan Tilt Indoor Cam. The eyes and ears you never knew you needed inside your home or business. This isn't just any camera, it's your personal security guard that never sleeps, eats, or takes bathroom breaks. Let's get this show on the road. Alright, let's talk about what makes this little gadget so special. First up, we've got 360-degree pan coverage. That's right, folks. This bad boy can swivel all the way around, giving you a full view of any room. No more blind spots or awkward angles. You can literally see everything, and I mean everything. Your cat knocking over that vase caught on camera, your kids sneaking cookies before dinner. Busted. But wait, there's more. This camera doesn't just pan, it tilts too. So whether you need to look up at the ceiling or down at the floor, you've got it covered. It's like having a tiny, obedient robot that follows your every command. And let's not forget about the HD video quality. We're talking crystal clear footage that'll make you feel like you're right there in the room. Now, let's chat about one of my favorite features, the two-way talk. This isn't just a camera, it's a communication device. Imagine being able to talk to your dog when you're at work, or telling your teenager to start their homework. It's like having a teleportation device for your voice. Pretty cool, right? And here's the kicker. This camera is smart, like really smart. It can detect motion and send alerts straight to your phone. So if something's going down in your living room, you'll know about it before you can say Ring Pan Tilt Indoor Cam. But what about privacy, you ask? Don't worry, Ring's got you covered. There's a physical privacy cover you can use when you want some alone time. Because let's face it, sometimes we all need a break from being watched. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but is it easy to set up? Well, let me tell you, it's so simple, even your technologically challenged uncle could do it. Just plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and boom, you're in business. And the best part, this little powerhouse comes in both black and white, so it'll fit right in with your decor. Because who says security can't be stylish? So there you have it, folks. The Ring Pan Tilt Indoor Cam. It's like having a personal security team, but without the awkward small talk. Whether you're a paranoid parent, a curious pet owner, or just someone who likes to keep an eye on things, this camera is a game changer. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to go check on my dog. He's been suspiciously quiet for the last hour.